Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. This is a video on my 3 things that I picked up from 22S. It drops on March 14th. So I have 2 ready-to-wear items and 1 black mini bag with pearls, which I think a few of you have been looking for. So first I'll just get right to the ready-to-wear. I know many of you are interested in these pieces as well. So I do have a video. If you go to Instagram, you will see our YouTube shorts. You will see pictures of me wearing this, but I could not take video content of that yet. So this is, you'll see pictures there. Instagram is at Channeling Luxury, and you can see how these look on. But for now, I do have the actual garments, and then I have photos that you can see on YouTube short or on Instagram. So here's the dress. And I wanted to show you this dress in particular because I think a lot of us, I know we had talked about this during when we were looking at the runway show video. We were talking about how the fabric looked like it might be too heavy or too thick. And I just wanted to let you know it's actually one of the finer knit fabrics that I've felt from Chanel in a long time. So that was a big decision maker or decision point for me to pick this up. So let me show you what the neckline looks like. The pearls are different colors. Obviously they're faux pearls, but there's little gemstones in other colors, not real gemstones, but there's pink, green, a gray color and a pearl color. And then you also have that detail around the arm. And then there's nothing towards the bottom, which makes it I think a little more wearable. And so it's just very faint detailing. You can see very light amount of metallic, which for those of you who are sensitive like me know that it can be a very itchy piece. So in terms of the fabric, I wanted to share that with you as well, but I'm having a hard time finding it at the moment. So this one's a size 38, and I did show the tag in my little shot, my little individual photos. But here's the tag for those of you looking for it, and you can, I believe you can get on pre-order now. And so let me show you tell you what the fabric contents are. Just a heads up though, it is catching on my jewelry. So I'm not so sure this is going to be a piece that wears well for the long term, but in the short term, it looks really cool. So it's 89% silk, 8% polyamide, and 3% elastane. So it has good stretch, but it is mostly silk. And that explains its kind of fine knit and also explains why it's catching on my jewelry. So for those of you looking for it, I think it's actually much more flattering in person than we had expected and many of us expected when we watched the runway show. And then I also picked up this muscle tank. So I have it on order in pink. I'll see which color is better. This is a size small. I would say it fits like a 36, 38. This is cropped blue. And the only kind of detail on it is actually in the back. It's right here. And it's a little crystal CC. And here's the tag for it. It's here and here. And yeah, so it just has kind of a shredded knit in the front, like shredded knit Chanel in the front. And it's not excessively cropped. So I'm 5'3.5". Can you give me the half? And I would say it's a little bit past my belly button. I do have a shorter torso. So that's this guy that I got to pick up. And as far as fabric, it is, let me tell you what it is, 100% cotton. I actually got another piece there, but it's under, it needs tailoring. So I'll show you that, and I'll just, by then I'll be able to actually try them on and show you videos. Also, some of you had mentioned that I needed to get these. I was on the fence, and definitely with the tank, I think it looks really cool. And with the white, I call it the Doily Jacket. I'll have it on soon. But a lot of you had commented, and you'll see it also on Instagram. I took it in the beginning. I'll put it towards the middle since it's not part of the new collection. It's actually the pre-spring, but I did pick these up. So they were there for a long time because apparently they're exceptionally hard to tailor. So hats off to my tailor at Chanel. She's incredible. And she got these to the length that I needed. So, and these are running a little bit big. I took a 36 in this, and I'm definitely wearing a 38 in pants. So just a heads up in case you're looking for that. So now I will unbox the mini 22 black. And that was the other goodie that I got today. So I'm just going to show you what the bag looks like in a separate video. I will show you what it holds. I'll do that as soon as possible so you can see what will actually fit in this little guy. So I very briefly saw it. I did see the pink, I saw the light yellow, I saw the black, and I saw the white. And I think the pink and the light yellow are really cool. Black and white are, kind of like we would expect, right? So here's this little pouch. And it slides out this way. Those of you who know me know I do not like long unboxings, so this is gonna be fast. So here it's a 23S. It's called the 22 mini handbag. There's the tag for it, and this is what it looks like. And I'll show you the pearl detail here shortly. So that is this handle right here. So I'm gonna do a totally separate video just to show you what this looks like as well as what it will hold. And then we'll also talk about the leather a little bit. So be on the lookout in the next maybe 2-3 days max. I will show you what this holds and do a better video specifically on that. So that's what I picked up from 22S. So looking forward to seeing what you all think, and have a wonderful day.